The 18th Lok Sabha commenced today with Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking oath as a Member of Parliament. The oath-taking ceremony marks the beginning of the new parliamentary session, with other members swearing in following the alphabetical order of the states. The inaugural session, however, is anticipated to be tumultuous as the opposition is set to raise the issue of the NEET paper leak, highlighting alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examination and the now cancelled UGC NET exam. These controversies are likely to spark heated debates between the new BJP-led NDA government and the opposition alliances. Earlier, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to B. Mahatap as the pro-tem Speaker of the Lok Sabha at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mahatap, a 7-term BJP member, subsequently called the Lok Sabha to order. His appointment has not been without controversy, as the opposition criticized the government's decision to overlook Congress member K. Suresh for the role. Prime Minister Modi's arrival at the Parliament was marked by an address to the media before the session commenced. The special session is not only significant for the swearing-in of members but also for the legislative challenges and opposition that the government is expected to face right from the onset.